With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So our today's question given here is that free iodine is titrated against standard reducing agent, usually with sodium thiosulphate. So here is given is the three reaction. So now we should do that in iodometric idation. The Starch solution is used as an indicator. Starch solution gives blue or violet color with free iodine. At the end point, blue or violet color disappears when iodine is completely changed to iodide. So now we have to calculate that what volume of 0.4 sodium thiosulphate would be required to react iodine liberated by adding 0.04 mole of Ki to 50 ml of 0.2 copper sulfate solution. So from the given reaction we need two reactions to solve the question. So the first reaction is 2 copper sulfate जब 4 Ki से रिएक्ट करता है then 1 copper 2I plus 2 potassium sulfate plus 1 iodine is liberated. So if we use this reaction, so हमें पता है कि 0.04 moles is added to 50 into 0.2 upon 1000, that is equals to, it is 20 and 100, that comes out to be 0.01 moles. So now we can see that the limiting reagent here is copper sulfate is the limiting reagent. So now if this is the limiting reagent, according to stoichiometry, if 0.01 moles of copper sulfate is present, then it will liberate 0.005 moles of iodine. So now if we use the second reaction, that is I2 plus Na2S2O3 gives 2 NaI plus Na2S2O6, that gives 2 NaI plus Na2S4O6. So as we see that 1 mole of iodine is required for 1 mole of sodium thiosulphate. Therefore moles of iodine should be equals to the moles of Na2S2O3. So as we know that moles of iodine liberated is 0.005 should be equals to the moles of Na2S2. Now we know that moles is molarity into volume, and we know that if we multiply by 1000 on the both the side, we get 5 millimoles should be equals to molarity, that is 0.4 into volume in ml. So now V volume in ml should be equals to 5 by 0.4, that comes out to be 12.5 ml is the answer of the question. So now if we look at the options, first option is the answer of the question because we need 12.5 ml of sodium thiosulphate to complete the reaction. Thank you and hope you understand.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.